morning, welcome back to another bow review, and you can expect either these are arrows or these are special bows, and I can tell you special bows from Alibow. The Takedown bows from Alibow. One thing, look at that. This thing is yet not available on the market, so don't start drooling. This one is yet not. Ooh, the other side. Look at this. But you can't have this. So what you would get here are arrow spacers. So you can put your arrows in here. And down there you have your bows. And I have two of them. You get the bow, the string, and two sleeves, obviously. And this is then, for the patrons later, the Tang Chang An Takedown. This is simply, we can do now comparison between the Takedown Kheshig and the normal Kheshig. And we have a poundage, 35 pound at 28, yes. Now, so what do we get? It's completely the same build as the normal Kheshig with this syntactic foam in it. Everything is the same. We only have this nice yeah, that's solid. And there's nothing, there's a little play. So this is how it looks like. Look, this is one side, it's a solid metal rod, and here you have this flange, so to say, and here you have the opposite part, and it's really solid. And the handle is nice cut, so it looks good too. Same material, and then simply cut here, so that's fine. We have a little play, but that's fine. Once the bow is strong, it should be no problem at all. Only that you see, that's the normal Kheshig, that's a Takedown version, completely the same. Mine is the 40 pound, and this is a 35 pound. So with the Takedown, I think it goes only up to 40 pounds or something. An arrow pass of the old one of 21. And the new one has 22. What we have, what is missing? My Kheshig has 2 arrow passes on both sides. This Takedown has only this arrow pass inlay. Of course I have arrow passes on both sides, but this inlay, mine has it on both sides. This Takedown version only on one side. For the rest, similar, everything the same. Let's string my Kheshig, because the only difference is, I guess, now in the weight and maybe in the shooting experience. In Kheshig we trust. Didn't shoot it for a while, I have to admit. Straight. Yeah, Kheshig is a Kheshig. So. You get a string, and usually a Takedown is $70 more than the normal one. So the normal Kheshig is $330, I think, free shipping. And this one would be $400 free shipping. So let's see how this wiggling translates now when we string the bow. This one you have to be maybe a bit more careful that it doesn't come apart. Easy. So, and now of course, once it's strong, there is nothing wiggling at all anymore. Yeah. In Kheshig we trust. They're complete the same. Brace head. Let's check. Brace head of mine is almost 7, 6, and yeah, whatever, almost 6. Almost 7. And here we have 7 inches, so I guess if the string stretches a little, then we're exactly there. That's fine. The old one was 505 grams. 620. So we have 620, means 115 grams more than this one. Do you feel it? No. So this one feels good. This one, so handle is a little different. Handle feels it's a little wider. Okay, so weight-wise, you don't feel this 115 grams at all. So they feel the same, but the old one, handle circumference first, on the deepest part, is 105 millimeters, and the takedown is 104 millimeters. So let's see what, I think this one is a little deeper, but more narrow. But overall then it's the same again. So the depth of the old one is 37 and the maximum width is 27. 37, 27. 34. 28.5, almost 29. So what we lose in depth, we gain in width. Does it bother me? My Kheshig feels just fine. The takedown version is a bit more rounded, feels still good, so look. That's the major difference. You see, it's wider, but it's less deep. So that's the major difference. But of course I had to change it a little to fit this metal rod in it. Nah. I like the old one a little more. Let's compare them shooting wise if something is different. So I like the handle of the old one. And we know minimum grain per pound is 12 now for the Kheshig, so these arrows are a little too lightweight. But it's nice. A little string twist and a little khatra, all good. Bow is just awesome. And it's not so loud like the first Kheshigs. This one is 580 grain, only to see what it does with a heavy arrow. Oh, center shot. So, there's nothing, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you feel it in the limb and a little bit in the handle, but not a lot. So the new one, the takedown version, once you hold it a while, you think you feel the difference in weight, but you don't. So let's see. Oh, center shot. So this one is a little louder, but needs to be shot in obviously first. Nice. So I think, I'm not sure yet. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't vibrate that much. And I think this more solid handle is beneficial, but we need to see later on. Nice. Let's see with the heavy arrows on 30 meters. With the takedown, it's only 35 pounds, so it's not a 40 like mine. But should still work. Oh, so works. So now 364 grain. Yup, nice. Hey, Kheshig. Ah, it was a bad shot, but I knew it before. A little going on. So, sounds a little weird. I guess brace head is a little on the low side. So my friends, there you have it. The takedown Kheshig. Am I in the frame? I guess so. So there you have it, the Takedown Kheshig versus the normal Kheshig. Main difference, we have 115 grams more weight, but you really don't feel it. The major difference is the handle. This is what bugs me a little. Alibow, make it still as deep as the old one, that's fine. It can be a little wider, that's not a problem. But this one sits way nicer on the root of my thumb. This one is a little more loose, but it still works, so you get used to it. If I would not know this handle would be fine, just fine. So that's not a big thing. Vibration wise, they are right now similar, but this one has, as I said, a few hundred shots, and this one is just shot in. So I guess, and even when you play a little with the brace height, it will get better. So I guess this one will have a little less vibration than this one at the end, but this is only speculation. I can't tell. So for $70, I guess you get the Takedown version, and of course I hope that Alibow will manage and sell this case with it, because then this is just doesn't get any better. But this one is right now not for sale. So that's all I have for the Takedown Kheshig. And unstringing, back there, so you need to be a bit careful, but I mean, we know that we have this quite flexed in the handle, and then boom, and you're done. So it's really, convenience factor is just nice, and the Takedown construction is very, very solid. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.